Hey, YouTubers. Gabriel with the Geezer. Been watching videos on self-defense, self-defense tips about carrying equalizers, considering EDC items to be equalizers. A knife is an equalizer? Sure. Pepper spray? Sure. A tactical pen? Sure. Anything you could pick up and use, to me, is an equalizer. A flashlight? The flashlight itself and the light that it produces, yes. The main thing with that is whatever you're going to use is going to have to be the element of surprise, and you're going to have to be fast and be in somewhat of shape. Right? Right.